Zhejiang Tianxiang Machinery Fitting Company Limited is located in Dayangkou Town, Zhuji City, Zhejiang Province, which is the hometown of hardware. It is a science and technology enterprise, specializing in the production and R&D of hydraulic parts. After more than 20 years of continuous accumulation and innovation, the company has developed into an intelligent, new manufacturing enterprise. The company has hundreds of automated production equipment, high-tech research and development personnel, more than 20 people. The company mainly produces all kinds of hydraulic hose fittings, stainless steel fittings, transition fittings, standard and non-standard fittings, and all kinds of DIN 2353 standard steel tube fittings. The products are widely used in engineering machinery, aerospace, transportation, mining machinery, agricultural machinery, metallurgy, ship and port equipment, petroleum machinery, and other fields. The company always adheres to the production concept of scientific and technological innovation, technology empowerment, and intelligent manufacturing. After years of technological research and continuous investment in R&D, the company now has more than 300 sets of fully automatic production equipment for fully automatic digital production workshops, with an annual output of 30 million hydraulic post fittings and 20 million transition fittings. Our company also has a modern warehouse of 1,000 square meters, which has 52 million pieces of standard and non-standard fittings. Our products are highly placed by domestic high-end users and exported to more than 20 countries and regions, such as Europe, America, Japan and Korea. Scientific and technological innovation is the driving force of the enterprise. Zhejiang Tianxiang, in more than 20 years of development, continue to summarize the accumulation, innovation depth, combined with the direction of the development of intelligent manufacturing, exploration, and development of a series of suitable for the production of hydraulic fittings, automation, and intelligent production equipment, and put into operation, continuously creating more value for customers, is the business philosophy of Zhejiang Tianxiang, focusing on the needs of customers, concentrating on quality control, providing customers with higher precision, more stable quality, more competitive products is the goal of Zhejiang Tianxiang. The introduction of automated equipment has improved the production efficiency and the consistency of product quality. The company has professional testing equipment, strict quality control, always through each process to ensure that each product delivered to customers meets the highest standards. Zhejiang Tianxiang, with the industrious top production capacity and systematic and comprehensive integration capabilities, set thousands of hydraulic couplings products to provide customers with one-stop shopping solutions to help more customers develop. We sincerely invite domestic and foreign customers to visit our factory and look forward to long-term cooperation with you to create a better tomorrow. Zhejiang Tianxiang, for the world power transmission help.